Hello and welcome to kahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Before I begin, I would just like to let you know that I'm using an iPhone to record this video. So we'll begin by opening up the YouTube channel, YouTube app. Once you have it open, there are two different ways that you can possibly subscribe to a channel. I'll show you the first one, which I think is most common. So let's say you're watching a YouTube video, like something like this, and you really happen to like the video and you like to subscribe to this channel. If you look on the under the title, go to the to the right side, and then under there it says add to, and then in red to the right of the channel name it says subscribe. As you can see right there with the YouTube play sign, it's in the middle of my screen. Click on that, and there you go. It says subscribe. So this means, and then it gives you the message you get occasional notifications to get all. Tap on the bell. So that's how you subscribe to a channel while you're watching a video. Another way that you can subscribe to a channel is, say you already know the name of the channel. So something like let's say National Geography. Okay, so you search the channel's name, and a list comes up. So right now, this is the results that I got. To go to this specific channel, I'll have to click on the actual channel name right there, and it will take me to this page. And then if you can see under the title, the channel's name, National Geography, it says subscribe again in red. Go ahead and tap that one time. You can see subscribe. And that's how you subscribe to YouTube channels. It's pretty easy. But if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I do different videos like this. And give me a thumbs up if you like the videos also. Thank you for watching.